Example number 2. 310 multiplied by 465. 310. What is nearest base for 310? Nearest working base. It is 300. What is nearest working base for 465? Is it 400 or 500? To 500, 465 is near. So let us consider 500 as nearest working base for 465. Now let us calculate deviations. Deviation for the number 310. D1. D1 is subtract nearest base from this number. 310 minus 300 is 10. Now let us calculate deviation for this number. 465. D2 is 465 minus what is nearest working base for this number? 500, which is equal to negative 35. So let us write these two deviations. D1 is 10, D2 is negative 35. Now count the number of zeros. There are 2 zeros in 300 and 2 zeros in 500. How many zeros are there in common? 2 zeros each. So let us cancel common number of zeros. Cancel 2 zeros, cancel 2 zeros. See, this is N1, this is N2, this is D1, D2, this is B1 and this is B2. In the B1 and B2 there were common number of zeros 2 and we cancelled these 2 zeros. Cancelled number of zeros are 2. Now let us draw a slash to separate right part and left part. Step number 1 to calculate right part. Right part is product of D1 and D2, that means 10 multiplied by negative 35. What is left part? Step number 2. See, either 310, see, either 310 multiplied by 5 plus negative 35 multiplied by 3. What is easy? I think this selection will be easier. So 310 multiplied by 5. Let us write here 310 multiplied by 5 plus 35 multiplied by 3. 35 negative 35 multiplied by 3. So let us calculate further. 310 multiplied by 5. 5 multiplied by 0, 0. 5 ones are 5. 5 threes are 15. Okay. Plus 35 multiplied by 3. 35 multiplied by 3 is 105. So negative 105. So you will have to subtract this 105 from 1550. So 10 minus 5, 5, 1. 5 minus 1, 4 and 14. 1445. So write 1445. Give a slash and 350 but negative. Okay, 35 multiplied by 10 is 350. 35 is negative, so 350 is negative. Now friends, we have calculated right part and left part. Now let us balance right part. See, how many zeros we cancelled? 2 zeros. It means we need to have 2 digits only in the right part. But how many digits we have? 3 digits. It means that we are going to retain this negative 50 and pass hundreds place digit 3, negative 3 to its left part. Passing means adding. So let us add negative 3 to this number. 5 minus 3, 2. 1. So let us write final answer. Write left part 1442. Remove this slash. Neglect this past digit -3 and write these two digits 5 and 0, 50, -50. Now we have got answer in the form of vinculum number. So let us convert this vinculum number into normal number. Write this one as it is, 4 as it is, 4 as it is, but not 2 as it is. Reduce this 2 by 1. Calculate ek noon of this 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. Now last digit is 0. So let us consider this -5 as last negative digit in this number. So let us subtract this 5 from 10. 10 minus 5 is 5 and write this 0 as it is. So answer is 144150. That means 1,44,150. This is final answer.